sure if you can really get the whole grasp of what is going on out there, but this is by far the scariest looking storm I've ever seen. Wind gusts, or well, actually sustainable winds, last time I heard over 40 miles an hour, and that means that the gusts are probably way more than that. It was really, really, really gnarly here, so, you know, I'm going to go out in it. I'm going to walk home, so, here we go. Alright kids, don't try this at home, but I probably don't have the opportunity anyway, so consider yourself lucky. Here we go. This was a cleared walkway earlier this morning. No longer. Off of the snowdrift. Man, this is a fight. Man, welcome to the... Oh man, get out of this thing. No more complaining, Michiganders, ever. No more complaining about winter. Home sweet home. Barrow apartment's covered in snow. Made it. Again, look at that.